how to fix Instagram showing the same reels. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix the Instagram showing the same reels again and again. So let's just get started with the video and see that. So in order to fix that, normally you can use up the simple method, which is refreshing your feed by scrolling your screen further down and see if that updates your reel or not. You can just refresh your reels page. Otherwise, you can head over to Play Store application right here and look out for the updates. So you can go to the search bar and go ahead and hit Instagram. And if there is any kind of update available for the Instagram, you can just go ahead and update the app. Next thing you can do is clear the cache of your Instagram application. For that, you can long press the app and hit over to the info section. So from there, this menu appears. Scroll down and go to storage option, and you can go ahead and clear the cache of the Instagram itself. Another thing is also check if you have a proper internet connection or not, because sometimes that may be the issue. So go ahead and check your internet connections, and you can also go ahead and log out of your account and log in back into your account. So for now, these are the methods you can apply up in order to fix Instagram showing the same reels again. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.